Okay, this is how to make a coaxial cable with F-type connectors. This cable has a specific 4 layers of shielding, okay, with a solid copper core. Okay, the tools you need is, of course, 2 connectors, a cutter, either or, you don't need 2, okay, a stripper, a compression tool. To make it, of course, you can use a cutter to cut the cable to a specific length. That's it. Now to strip it, this stripper will strip the outer jacket, okay, the inner, some parts of the inner shielding, and a strip another insulation to expose the solid copper core. To strip it, one, censor it accordingly. There's a stop right here. Push the cable all the way to the stop. Spin the stripper 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull off the stripper without opening the stripper head. You can see some of the insulation being cut off. Yeah. Right. Now I want you to remove the first 2 layers of shielding. The first one is the first wire shielding. We need to cut that off first. It's good to have a small cutter to get detailed cuts. Try to get close as much as possible. As much as possible. Okay. Now there's a second shield, which is a foil. So we need to peel this off. A foil, another shielding, which is a simple foil. You can try to peel it off if you can find an opening. Okay, let's see. That's how you peel it off, just score it. Okay, now I need to pull the rest down over the outer jacket. Okay. Now, next is to insert the F connector, the barrel end, like this. It might take some time to push down. The stripper have a special hole or a holder to help you, to assist you to push in the cable into the connector. So. Okay. You can tell you're fully inserted is make sure it's that the white insulation is lined up inside the inner hole. not too far out. And if it's a then you went too it's not too far out and not too far in. Now when you compress it, insert the connector right here. The pin, the inner pin or the inner core, copper core will go into this hole and compress. And that's it. 1F type connector on an RG6 cable, which has 4 shieldings with solid copper core.